Good morning. We are in Sora, Panama, and it's finally daytime, so I think that means it's time to see just where we're at, because it's supposedly pretty beautiful. So we are in what is sort of a highland jungle type area, but it's obviously we're in a little bit of a community where there's houses and stuff. It's so nice. It is like 7:30 in the morning. Eris and I have decided to be ambitious and try to go for a run. So indeed, it's gonna be great. We're lost. We are back. I have no idea where we went. We just actually retraced all of our steps and just came back the exact same way because there was supposed to be a loop. We didn't find it, so whatever, we made it. All is well. Alright, we are ready, showered, and fed. I think we're about to hit the day and start going down into town to do some stuff. Dude, I don't know. You got a full, it's like a taco.
This is impossible.
No, I think you did it right.
Oh, hey, got it.
Yeah. Okay, we have got some ice cream. We're heading into town to go to a tree nursery, I think.
Spirit of bottlenose dolphin.
Beach time. Alright guys, I think we're gonna call it a night. Didn't really do a lot of filming after the beach, but honestly that's because not a lot really happened. I mean, we made eggs, got some eggs, I found a really tiny banana. Look at this little banana. Then there was the wildfire. More fires. I guess there was the car accident as well. Ooh, that's not good. And then there was the really bad wildfire.
Wow. Oh, that's where there's houses. Yeah. Oh boy. Watch the road.
But honestly, nothing really to report. So, good night.